Stay right here, Monkey.
Flies off, you understand why you're not going to do it.
Slide forward, two back.
Oh my God.
He's gonna get this down.
He's holding on, but he's not. I have no idea. Oh my God, this is good. Good.